two, three.
Sa puntong to, walang kamalay-malay si Joanna nang bigla na lang tumunog yung kantang magpapakilig sa kanya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hey.
Thank you guys.
Oras ng service, oh.
Nakapaglinis at close na rin yung kusina at ready nang umuwi nang bigla na lang ako may naisip na kalukuhan. Kaya kinausap ko yung venue manager namin para mag-print ng docket para i-prank si Joanna.
Bye.
Sasalang ko to, sige. Allison!
It's a prank. It's a prank. Suti kita ko.
Kusinerong mayor ang kasama nyo sa biyaheng masaya. Sumama kayo, sumama ka sa biyahe. Di kung masaya kay kusinerong mayor ay panalo ka.